Good morning, fellow gardeners. Got a beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. Got about 3/4 of an inch of rain in the last 24 hours. And this morning, nice, sunny, as you can see there. This video is going to be, I mentioned when I was transplanting this hydrangea standard, that it's going to move these, well, goodness, knocking everything over, breaking everything, knocking everything over. We're going to move these sedum again, because for the 4th time now, because they just aren't, and I forgot my gloves, as you can see. Seem to always forget something. Put them here in this little green wagon and transplant them into a drier spot. You can see a big dandelion in the middle of that one. Take that out of there. See an extra little plant right there. We'll take him. All right. I hope you guys are having a good day. Oh, what a mess. So there's those. I already had the one dug up, as I showed you the other day when I was doing the transplanting of the hydrangea standard. Yeah, I'm using my little green wagon, which ideally wouldn't be stuffed full of all the other stuff, but it is. So it is what it is. So I'm using that. Look at these dahlias. They looking good this morning. Yes. All right. We're going to move them to this location right here, where I had put something earlier this year that didn't do well. I don't remember what it was. I've already moved that out. I've got the holes dug here for these. Let's back up a little bit. Raise this a little bit. Hopefully you can see all there. You can see my knee pads. And so we'll be putting these right here this time. And like I said, I've got the holes dug, but I'm not going to put any biotone starter fertilizer in there this time. I'm going to start trying, not trying, I'm going to start treating these sedums. I'm going to start neglecting them a little bit and see if that is the trick for sedums, because I keep apparently I don't know, giving them too much love, I guess, or something. I don't know. But we're going to put them right here. In these spots that I already have the holes dug. Set it right there. Backfill it. Get my knee pads over here. Glad that didn't hit me. Scared me a little. That was the shovel falling. I guess I didn't get it stuck in the ground deep enough. He decided to go to lay down. Needed a nap. Been working it too hard this summer, I guess. Oh, what a worm. Woo-wee! Look at this baby. See if I can get around here. Look at the size of this sucker. Put him back up there. He's already headed for the hills. Getting himself back in the underground. Nose is itching. All right. Here's one. See if I can get these two. Probably just moving my knee pads just into this one spot this time. All right. I'm going to be doing some interesting things upcoming very quickly. And I hope you stick around and find out what they are. This bundle of joy sedum from Proven Winners is supposed to just be a mound of white. And I just never get I never get it. And, you know, a mound of white, it's just, they never really seem to. And my Crimson King's dropping leaves like crazy that time of the year here in Northeast Ohio. Driveway already needs blown off multiple times a day, which I'm not doing like I should. All right, there you go, guys. No bundle of joy sedum. I think there is on 4 to 9. I think. Like I said, it's just supposed to be a small mound, solid white mound, bundle of joy. It's called. There's several in this, different ones in this series. There's bundle of joy. I can't think of any of them right now, but I guess I've been putting them, like I said, I guess I've been treating them too kindly. This is going to be hot afternoon sun. I mean, hot sun. It's here by the driveway, so it'll even get hotter from the concrete, you know, reflecting on it. The heat from the concrete bouncing up on them. And they're in a bed with another one of the Crimson Kings. So, as you can see with all of these, so it sucks up all the moisture. So I'm going to try them here. I'm going to see what happens here. So far, I haven't gotten them. This is usually what I have, the way they look, instead of being a mound of white blooms. So we'll go from here and see. There's a dandelion in this one. Need to get out of there. Okay, got them by the whole root. Ha ha ha. Good, good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, notification bell. And I hope you have a great day and get in your garden today. Appreciate you.